Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can place the items from the cosmetics upgrade. So there is a new stall here. Once you've purchased everything and you want to place some items, go to this kind of like build mode here. It's just going to toggle the cosmetic inventory. Select the item. Okay, so you have to be inside your farm. Select the item. It's just going to be placed randomly and you're just going to move it like this. Here you can rotate. It's going to rotate it this way. And then this is to hold and move. So hold it to drag and move it around to wherever you want to place it. I'm just going to place it here. And this is to store it back in the inventory. So again, this is to rotate it, and this is to move it, so hold and drag to move it. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!